In Affinity Photo, you can recolor images very quickly using color LUTs or look files. You can create them as well in Affinity Photo. Now I'm using one here that I've just created, and I'm just going to delete that layer. So what you need to do, go to Layer and then New Adjustment Layer, and I'm just going to go down here and create one such as Vibrance. Now this creates a vibrance effect, which I can then modify the settings, make it obviously slightly bare. Then I can go to Layer and New Adjustment Layer and go maybe for, say, Recolor or Lens Filter. So I select that. Again, I can modify this. I can get a really quite intense colour there. And Layer and New Adjustment Layer and maybe use Levels. So I can tweak that as well. So let's just change the settings here. Maybe just let's go for the black level, reduce that. And now I've got 3 adjustments. I can now go over to File and down to Export LUT. And the key thing is adjustments. Nothing else. You can't like use various effects, etc. You can use these adjustments. Export LUT, and you can see a lovely preview. Obviously, if a cat here, it doesn't show you that image there, but you can load a preview image. I'm just going to go for Look, so LUT only. Select that, and you can modify this. I'm just going to go for the default setting and export. And I'm going to call it Golden Vibrant or Golden 2 and save. And it will come up with a panel. Generally, in this case, it didn't. And what you can then do is now with these, I can just delete all those. I can now just go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and just go down here to LUT, select that, and then go to Load. And with that, I can select Golden 2 Look and click Open. And now you can see your LUT applied there, and you can still continue to modify the blend mode, so darken, multiply, etc., as well as change opacity. You can also then, of course, merge it as well as add a preset, so you can use that very quickly as well. So merge, and there I have that LUT applied that I created earlier. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.